Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're not ready to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. But before you do that, please give the video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe wherever that is for you. And let's get onto the video. Wherever the way it is. So the first thing I usually go in with is a Colourpop Dip Brow in Bangin Brunette. And I just use a slanted eyebrow brush to apply this. And honestly, this dip brow is so affordable. It's about what? I think about $6. And it's so nice. Like, it doesn't dry up as much as the Anastasia and the MAC one, which I really love. And it's literally like, what, 3/4 the price. So I really recommend this to anyone, honestly. So now I just grab a little spoolie and I'm just going to brush out my brows. So to carve my brows, I'll be going in with the timeBalm concealer by the Balm in Lighter Than Light. And I really love this concealer since it's like a little pot. So it's a much easier to use it to carve your brows. So that's pretty much what I use this concealer only for. So I just start off at the top like that and just go over my brow, and then with whatever I have left over on this brush, I go under, and then I dip back in and I get a little bit more, and I do my concealer on the bottom of my brow one more time, and then with the concealer that's already on the bottom, I'm gonna drag that down to my lid since I use this as a eyeshadow primer. And now with the beauty sponge, I'm just gonna blend that all out. So now that I primed my eyelids with the concealer and did my brows, I'm going in with the Take Me to Vacation palette by Kylie Cosmetics. I'll be using this pinky shade called Pina Colada, and I'm just gonna put that all over my crease. So now that I have that all on my eyelids, I'm going in with the Catrice Blossom palette, and I'm gonna be using this very pretty light shade, which is right there, and I'm just gonna put that kind of on half of my lid. And now on top of that white shimmery shade, I'm gonna go in with the Cargo Getaway palette, and I'm gonna be going in with that really pretty white icy shade called Luggage. So now to create my wing, I'm gonna be going in with the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in black. So now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm going with the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. And honestly, I've been using this concealer for about maybe 2 weeks since I've heard it very raved about. And honestly, it's more of a medium to full coverage. Although I feel like it states that it's a full coverage, I'm not sure. I would have to look into that. But it's a very nice buildable concealer. I pretty much just apply this wherever I want to highlight or conceal blemish or stuff like that. So I pretty much just do a V on my under eyes, and then I apply a little bit on my forehead, then a little bit on my chin, then a little bit down the bridge of my nose, oops, whatever, and then I apply right here. And since I have this like rash of a blemish, I'm just gonna put it right here. And now I'm just gonna blend that all out with the beauty sponge. So now that I have my concealer all blended out, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Chestnut. And I'm just going to apply that wherever you contour. So that would be right on your cheekbones. And I don't apply a lot since it's very strong. So then the same thing on this side. Up here. Oops, applied a lot right there. Then under my lips to kind of plump up my lips. And apply a little bit more right here, a little here. And you have to be very careful while you do this. So I'm just going to go on each side of my nose to nose contour. Make sure you don't put too much because then it's going to look all muddy. I'm just going to blend that out with that same beauty sponge. So now, to kind of emphasize that contouring a little bit, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Bronzer. And I'm going to grab that with kind of a slanted bronzer brush. I'm just going to dab into that. And what you want to do is that you don't want to hold it right at the front, since that's going to give so much pressure and you're just going to look a little bit too muddy. Well, you don't want to be muddy at all, but you're going to look way muddy. So you have to go and hold it at the end, since you don't want to put that much pressure on it. And I'm pretty much going to apply that wherever I applied my cream contouring. Now I've done my bronzing, I'm going to go with a Naked, I don't know if this wants to focus, Naked Flush Palette. And I'm going to go in with this really, really pretty pinky shade. And I'm just going to use that as my blush. And I'm kind of going to blend it into my bronzer. It doesn't look too intense. So now I'm going with the Covergirl Loose Powder in Translucent Light. Now I'm just going to use this for baking. Okay. So then I'm going to take the powder puff out. Oh my god, there's so much powder. And I'm just going to grab my beauty sponge and I'm going to dip into here. And do it right here. And now I'm going to do it right under where I did my bronzer to chisel out my bronzer and my cheekbones. And now I'm just going to apply a little bit under my eyes, but I'm not going to really bake under my eyes. So I don't really wait those 10 minutes, since I feel like it does the same effect of me just putting it on and then brushing it off. So I'm going to grab a really big powder brush and I'm just going to brush that all the way. And now for highlight, I'm going to be going in with the Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to be using the shades Summer and Moonstone, which is the two lightest shades in this palette, since I feel like that looks a little bit better with my complexion. So I'm just going to put that on top of my cheekbones and on the bridge of my nose and on my cupid's bow to kind of highlight where the sun will naturally hit you. So I'm just going to apply it right here on top of my cheekbones. See that glow? Oh my god, I love this palette so much. It's beautiful. I've been wanting to get, I feel like, I don't think I know what it's called. I'm not sure. But I know that the shades, I think there's one that's like marshmallow, the other one's called Gumdrop. I've been meaning to get that glow kit since I've heard that it's so nice. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So I'm just going to keep applying that highlight, since I literally love so much highlight. So I'm just going to keep applying this highlight right here, and then a little bit on my forehead, a little bit on my temples, and then on my cupid's bow. So now under the eyes, I'm going to be going with that Naked Flush Palette, and I'm going to use the same blush that I used on my face for my waterline. And now for the finishing kind of touch, I'm going to be going in with the MAC Matte Lipstick in Velvet Teddy. I literally wear this every day. I feel like this is just like a perfect nude slash mauve tone. Like, look how pretty that is. And I feel like it's very good for date night, since if you want to wear something so extreme but you still want to wear lipstick, I feel like this is your shade, but better. And now to set my face, I'm going to be going in with the Mario Badescu Facial Spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. So this is very, very good for you. I know some people use this as a toner, but I kind of use this as a setting spray. So I'm just going to spray that all over my face.